Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. As we already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now. And also for all certification maintenance, we have already posted video in our channel. Do check that. And let's go here. So once if you click on launch in app launcher, search for cases and click on cases. So here in recently viewed, let's go to my open cases. We do have all open cases. Let's go there to all open cases, and then here let's go to list view control and click on new. Meanwhile, let's go back to get our API names and copy this list name and paste it over here, and list name will be auto populated. And now for who sees this list view, let's click on all user can see this list view and then click on save. And now let's go to our list view controls again, and here just go to select fields to display. So here we are gonna choose case number, contact name, subject, status, priority, date, time, open, and then case owner alias. So once if it is done, let's click on save. And here we do have this column sort, so just click on column sort, and here choose priority and make it as descending. So before that, let's go to our status. It should be on ascending, and click on add sort column again and go to priority, and here choose descending and click on apply. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our platform app builder certification maintenance. And if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.